So guys, in the previous videos you have seen how to create our rounded button, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your app with your Firebase account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome or your favorite browser, I don't know. Let's go to the Firebase console. It's very simple. If you don't have an account, you can create it now, but I already have one, so I already have one here, but I'm gonna add a new project and I'm gonna call it Google Sign. Let's click on continue. I'm gonna show you how to do this only on Android, but later I'm gonna show you how to connect your iOS also. And let's click on continue, select an account, create a project, and let's wait. So your project is ready. And now we just have to click here on Android and we're gonna set the package name. Open this, Android, app, source, main, and let's go to manifest. So in manifest you can copy this and paste here. You can put a nickname, but I won't set it. And here we have some information. If you want to use Google login, Google sign in with your application, you have to add your SHA-1 key. And how do we find it? We have the sign, we click here, and it shows a command on how to use it on Mac or Windows. So I'm gonna copy this, just need to copy this, go in the terminal and paste it, and it will ask us for a key store, but we don't have one, so you just have to click enter, and then it shows here your SHA-1. So you just have to copy this, just go here and paste it and register app, and then we're gonna have to download the Google services.json and insert inside our application. Let's show and finder. So we have to copy and paste it inside our Android app. So I have the file here and I'm gonna bring to app and click on OK. So we have a lot of information that we don't need right now. Let's go back here and click on next. We have some steps. Copy the Google services and open the build.gradle, and so we're gonna test it just right here, this one. If you don't do this, your application won't work. So let's copy this apply plugin, this one. Let's copy the analytics because we have selected before. I shouldn't, but that's okay. It's not a problem. Let's paste here. And then we're gonna click on next. So it's kind of verifying if the app has some connection with the Firebase, but I'm not gonna wait for it. So we're gonna skip it. So it means that our app is already connected with the Firebase. So now we have how to log in into Google Sign in our application. So I'll see you in the next class.